and when I hit enter, it counts the number of cells that have Java in them in the selected range. Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. CountIF and SumIF. We have already looked at count functions and sum functions. Let's look at CountIF and SumIF. In this table, I want to calculate how many branches are offering Java course. As you can see in column D, we have the course offered in each of the branches. We want to calculate how many of these cells have Java in them. As you can manually see, we have 3. Let's see how to do that in Excel. We start with equals, CountIF, open brackets. Now we have to select the range, and then we'll give the criteria to see if it is Java. Now the range is all the courses offered in all of the branches, that is D4 to D13. And then we type a comma to go to the next argument in the function. Now we have to give it a criteria, that is, it should match the word Java. We have to put this in inverted commas. So there we go, inverted commas, Java, close the inverted commas and the bracket. And when I hit enter, it counts the number of cells that have Java in them in the selected range. It is 3, and that is correct. In the next example, let us look at SumIF. This function sums the values only if a particular condition is met. Here, let us calculate how many members are registered for C in all the branches. So it has to add these numbers, 30, 23, 21, 32, 13, all of these. To do this, we'll start with the equal sign, SumIF, open parentheses. Now we have to select the range. This is the range of cells where we want to check the criteria. We want to check the criteria if the course offered is C. So the range will be D4 to D13, comma, the criteria is it should match C. So we start inverted commas and put C inside them. Then the sum range is where we have to select the whole range where the cells that we are going to sum are in. That is E4 to E13. Now we have 119. This is the sum of all the members that are in the branches which offer course C. This was SumIF and CountIF. To become an Excel expert in a few hours, check out the playlists on our channel. If you have liked the video, click like button below. Thank you for watching the video till the end.